Motivational and some tax return prep talk.
Antoine, you know you can do it now. You know you can do it. You know. You better get it. You better get the taxes in 2 weeks. Don't fuck this up for us, Antoine. Don't fuck this up for us, man. She about to get her taxes in 2 weeks. You know she got 8 kids, 2,000 apiece. Man, you know what you can do with that. You can run this block again like you did in 84. You know you can get it like you did in 84. So what you got to do is be strong, suck them toes, eat a little booty. They want to eat, cook some breakfast in a thong. Whatever you got to do, don't fuck this up. Antoine, repeat, this is your conscience. Don't fuck this up. 2 weeks, you'll be in the money. You'll be in the money. Don't fuck this up, Antoine. I'm counting on you, Antoine. This is your inner self. Don't fuck this up.